Hey boys and girls, today I'm going to be showing you how to complete your math assignment for Thursday. It is called Telling Time Whole Hours. So again, I have my example Google Classroom up. I have already logged in through my email. I have already gone to the waffle and scrolled down and clicked Google Classroom. I selected my class, which for you guys, it will be Miss Dooley's Math and Science class. So now we're on the stream. So we will go and click the classwork button. We know we're in the right place because the topic is week of August 17th through 21st, which is this week. So let's go ahead and click the assignment, Telling Time Whole Hours for Thursday. And I'm going to click View Assignment. So all of this week so far for math, we have been doing Google Slides. In ELA, you have been working on Google Forms. So today we're going to do our first Google Form for math. So I'm going to go ahead and read the directions. Today, our assignment is a little bit different. Remember those Google Forms you have been using in language arts and to do your daily attendance? Well, today you have your first math form. Please open this Google form, watch the video in the Google form, then answer the questions on the Google form. When you are finished with the Google form, you will need to click Submit at the bottom of the form. Then, after the form is submitted, go back to Google Classroom and click Mark as Done. So just like we do in our Google Slides, you are going to have to come back to Google Classroom, and instead of clicking Turn In, you will click Mark as Done. So let's go ahead and open up our Google form first to get started. So my video that I'm recording right now will be up here for you to watch first. Then you have a video right here to watch. And then you will scroll down and begin answering the question. So it says, what time is it? And then right here it says, what time is on the clock above? Is it 2 o'clock or 4 o'clock? You'll answer that question by clicking in the bubble, and then you'll scroll to the next question. What time is it? What time is on the clock above? Is it 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock? You'll answer that by clicking in a bubble and scroll down. What time is it? What time is on the clock above? 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock? You'll click in the bubble. And you'll continue to do that for the rest of your questions. Then at the very bottom, once you have answered all of them, it says Submit. So you will submit this assignment. And once you click Submit, a little screen will come up saying that you have submitted it. And then you will come back to Google Classroom and you will click Mark as Done. You don't need to add or create anything because your Google form is already connected. So you will just click Mark as Done and then you will be good to go.